I'm going to make this beautiful jam tart, and I'm going to use a few pecans for the bottom. I'm going to use apricot jam because apricot is my very favorite, and it's a bit Christmassy. So I already made a pastry, and if you've been following me for a while, you should have my pastry recipe by now. If not, I will say it again. It's 150 grams of butter plus 200 grams of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar, because this is a sweet pastry, and 1 egg to bind it together. That's it. The pastry's been in the fridge for about half an hour to cool down, to chill down. And now we're going to roll it. Got my pastry tin ready. This is like the easiest Christmas tart ever. Done. 180 degrees for about 40-45 minutes until your pastry is nice and golden. See you when it comes out. Okay guys, so I took it out of the oven. Look at it. Looks so cute and so Christmassy. Smells amazing. This is the easiest giant jam tart you'll ever see. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Until next time, take care of yourselves.